royal flames.
Meow, 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 meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow.
Strange. Master said there was a monster here. Anybody here? Well, I might as well just eat some of my food. Wait, what was that? I'm not afraid of you. I am a Sith. Ah! 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 In your face. I'm going to Master to tell him about my victory. Master, I am victorious. I defeated the monster. What shall I do now?
You did well. But there's one more task for you. You must bring me what has been said to be the ultimate lightsaber. For with it, the Sith will once again rule the universe and restore power. Bring it to me. You have 50 days. Good luck.
Please, 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 pretty please subscribe.